Hey, what's going on everyone? Chase here at Rocky Mountain ATV MC giving you a closer look at the Drivetrain oil change kits from Tusk. All right everyone, thank you for checking in. So today we're showing you the Tusk Drivetrain oil change kits. Drivetrain components like your gear oil, your transmission fluid are often overlooked and neglected. In fact, a lot of manufacturers recommend that you change those fluids each time you do your motor oil. So if this is something that you have been slacking on or you know you're going to need to be doing soon, then these kits are perfect for you. And what's nice about these kits is it completely eliminates the guesswork, because when you pick yours up, when you're on the product page, you just enter the year, make, and model of your UTV or ATV. And once you've done that, the kits that will be available will have all the right fluids that you'll need. So your oil, your gear oil, and your transmission fluid, and in the right quantities. So you don't have to wonder how much you're gonna need. It will come with everything that is required. And also when you're picking up those kits, there will be different options available. There will be OEM oils that you can use. You can also use maybe Maxima or Bel-Ray, so we've given you different options depending on what preference you might have. If your machine does need crush washers, depending on what you're doing, those will also come included. And to make it even easier, we have a ton of how-to videos where we show you how to change the fluids on your drivetrain components. So you've got no excuse. Pick up your kit, has everything that you are going to need, get that maintenance done, and stay up to date on that. If you do have questions or comments, we want to get those answered, so make sure to leave those below. Last thing I will leave you with is that most of your machines are going to need a funnel with a long flex neck. So that will not come included with these kits, but there are some options available, so just keep that in mind. Orders over $75 ship free. To grab your kit today and get started on your drivetrain components, quit neglecting those, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. As always, orders over $75 ship free. And remember, if you haven't yet, subscribe to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and stay up to date. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.